स्पर्धा परीक्षेच्या तयारीसाठी महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्तम ऑनलाईन प्लॅटफॉर्म ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमी पुणे. महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्कृष्ट शिक्षकांचे व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स, PDF स्वरूपात नोट्स व प्रश्नपत्रिका उपलब्ध, तेही अगदी माफक फीसमध्ये. बॅच जॉईन करण्यासाठी आजच गुगल प्ले स्टोअरवरून ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमीचे ॲप डाउनलोड करा. अधिक माहितीसाठी संपर्क करा 95 11 28 04 65.
Hello friends, welcome you all. From today onwards we are going to start one of the most important series demanded by many students, which is daily answer writing challenge. In this daily answer writing challenge I will be discussing one question every day and also will be giving two important questions for homework, and those who are having doubt about how to write answers on those two homework questions, if possible I will be giving you answers for those questions also. Here I will be making an attempt how to make your focus clear and how to give you benefit. Here I am not going to discuss content of the answer. The main focus shall be on discussing the structure of the answer. So let's start with it. Today's first question. Now, with the Trumpism coming to an end, a democratic control over the Senate, Congress and the presidency is also a welcome change for the world and India. Now, you might feel, sir, this kind of questions won't come in the examination. I know, but this is one of the important area where you could get a question in a very different format. Now remember one important thing. Whenever you are going to start writing the answer, you have to read question at least 2 to 3 times. And every question has two important dimensions. One which is called as locus of the question. Second is called as focus of the question. So from today onwards, for every question we are going to discuss, first I will be giving you what is locus of the question, what is focus of the question, and then I will be explaining the answer. Now here remember, what is meaning of locus of the question? It means the part of the syllabus from where the question has been asked. So you have to develop your capacity to understand what is locus and to understand what is focus. Focus, where the direction of your answer must go, is a focus. Locus, it is location of the syllabus from the question came, and focus where you are expected to write the answer. So basically this question belongs to international relations part of your general studies too. Also same thing can be used in your political science option. Now here, what is locus? Trumpism is the locus. It is not about end, it is not about democratic control over the state, Congress and all those things. It is Trumpism which is coming to an end is the locus. And what is focus? When there will be end of the Trumpism through this democratic control of Senate, Congress and presidency, what will be its impact on world and India will be the focus. So how you are expected to write the answer? I repeat once again here, remember, we'll go for next slide. Here remember, you have to write 3 important parts. First one, you have to write what are the characters of Trumpism. Then you have to write second thing, what are its benefit, that is change in this process benefit for world. And third, you have to write benefits for India. Now, if this question comes for 15 mark or 10 mark, you have to write the question of 10 mark in 150 words. In this way, the characters of Trumpism which are affecting world and India can be written in just let us say 25 to 30 words. Then benefit for world should be written in around 35 words, and benefit for India should be written in around 50 words. Here it is 50 words and 10 to 20 words somewhere there. So in this way you have to complete the answer. So I repeat once again, locus is the characters of Trumpism, and what are the benefits of end of Trumpism through a giving democratic control to Senate, Congress and presidency to world and India is your focus. So this is part of your focus, this is part of your locus. It happens many a time that people keep on explaining what is Trumpism and what is Senate and what is democratic control, what is presidency. See, all these things, democratic control, Senate, Congress, presidency is not asked. What they said, it is a welcome change. Remember, always changes are positive and negative. So here it is expected you should write benefits are only positive changes for the India, that you have to focus. So this is the way you should write answer. From every day onwards, we are going to work on word management, we are going to work on time management, we are going to work on locus as well as on focus, right? So next question, these two questions are for homework and I expect you to make a structure on it. It is not possible due to time crunch to discuss all the question, but every day we are going to discuss at least one question and I will be giving you two important homework. See, second question is explain avian influenza. Discuss the steps taken by the government to prevent the occurrence, spread and transmission of the bird flu. Second question. Then third question. In the farm laws debate, the focus should be on the exchequer farm subsidies issues and the spending on farm subsidies. Analyze critically. Very interesting question. I expect every one of you to at least make an attempt to write the structure of the answer, which will help you. So that's all from my side. We'll keep meeting for these lectures. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.
स्पर्धा परीक्षेच्या तयारीसाठी महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्तम ऑनलाईन प्लॅटफॉर्म ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमी पुणे. महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्कृष्ट शिक्षकांचे व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स, PDF स्वरूपात नोट्स व प्रश्नपत्रिका उपलब्ध, तेही अगदी माफक फीसमध्ये. बॅच जॉईन करण्यासाठी आजच Google Play Store वरून ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमीचे ॲप डाउनलोड करा. अधिक माहितीसाठी संपर्क करा 95 11 28 04 65.